Good morning, guys. How's it going? Hope you had a very good weekend. Guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, definitely subscribe. We're live trading on every single one of these videos. We are currently up $11,081. Here's all of the withdrawals in here. They've all been successful, and they've all been over $10,000, so they're all true profit withdrawals. All right, guys, we're going to go over ADA today. I'm going to show you guys some reasoning and proof of why I believe ADA could hit $4.43. There's a specific reason of why I say that. Before the end of the year, okay? Before Christmas specifically, okay? We are currently at this moment 44 for 44 winning trades on this channel. I'm sorry, in Bitcoin video, I actually said 43 for 43. I had correction. We are 44 for 44. You guys can actually see the other trade wins we did over here. We did, here's 43, here's 42, here's 41. It just keeps going back and back here, okay? So we have not lost a trade on this channel yet. This is those of you guys who have a membership over at TradeConfident.io. You guys do get access to all of that. So very quickly, let me show this to you guys. You guys can look at the profits from all of our traders. It's ridiculous, $5,000, $1,100, and so on and so forth. Okay, this is what they did last week alone, $5,000. Per month, I only charge $49. I know it's super cheap. And yes, I've been talking to our marketing team. I am actually considering raising this price soon for the monthly. I just want to make that heads up. I like to keep it cheap for you guys, but there has been talk that because of the extra value added with Telegram and the more things we're bringing on to help you guys, that I do feel like it might be added a little bit more value than what we're charging people for, just to be completely honest. So make sure you guys do snag that. Everyone who does buy this membership, if and when we do raise prices, you guys will all be grandfathered in at $49 a month if we raise it to a higher price. So I'll never make you guys pay more. So just get it now and that'll be the best deal. Didn't plan on saying that in this video, but I did. So here we go. Indicators real quick. I will be going over these today, so I need you guys to be aware of this. These prices go up in 3 days. You have 3 days. The trend exhaustion is going up in 3 days. The bundle pack is the best deal to get because this is going to give you guys all of our indicators for a super, super low price, and it will not be going up this month, but the other indicators will be going up this month as well as next month, as well as December. I'm going to be raising the prices of these other indicators, so this will have appreciating value for you guys. All right, let's get into here of what you guys wanted to see. I wanted to get that out of the way with so I can spend time on analysis here. All right, let me show you guys how I came to this prediction, and this is currently our first buy limit in here for ADA, which is sitting at 212, and I will be going over that today as well. Okay, watch this. If you guys are following me on this chart here, you saw how we ended up calling this move up in ADA almost perfectly. And it wasn't something that I called. I visually just watched the indicators and they told me what was going to happen. Follow me down here. Price structure ended up creating a lower low. So you have a low and a lower low formation. Watching this right here, guys, you can see the price versus the well money flow. The well money flow, can you guess if it's in green or if it's in pink? It is in green. Okay, money was flowing into the market here while the price was moving down. You can also see the trend exhaustion here. This is a leading indicator. This will tell you guys what's going to happen before it happens. Yes, it is absolutely possible. I've covered this for you guys. We call the last 14 moves on Bitcoin on the daily time frame with the trend exhaustion indicator, okay? I had a guy make $5,500 last week just using this indicator alone. Is ridiculous. Okay, why do I point that out? We ended up calling this move in the market here very nicely. We ended up seeing this move up to the top red section for the trend exhaustion, and we saw a massive spike straight down, which it didn't trigger us into our trade yet, but we got very close. Over the weekend, I was definitely looking basically at this descending resistance line. We hit there perfectly, and we saw a move back down. All right. What do I suggest you guys do today before I get into more of the analysis and the price prediction? It's definitely setting up your buy limit order for ADA, okay? If you guys like that we haven't lost a single trade on this channel, here's how we're doing that. Get your membership, go over to live trades over here on the front page, literally just click live trades, scroll down, okay? Here's Cardano right here. You guys need to click this and it's gonna open up a chart that looks like this. Right now, you are going to see at this exact moment 4 yellow lines below the current price of ADA at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all of our metrics update. Doesn't matter if you check at 2, 4, 5 in the afternoon, find the current price and then just get in here and find the 4 yellow lines, okay? The first line is going to be 25% of your trade allocation. So you have $1,000, 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%, 250, 250, 250, 250, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit in here, you guys want to then set up your sell limit here, and that'll end up giving you guys your exit point. I'm also going to be calling exits over on the Telegram channel, so you guys can have a little bit of extra coaching of what I'm doing over here and how we're winning all these trades, okay? So definitely do that, guys. Here's a tutorial video if you guys need any help on that. Now, let's get over here of how I've been able to come up with this $4.43 claim here, and it has to do with the Bitcoin and Ethereum videos. So make sure you guys go back and watch the Bitcoin and Ethereum videos. Ethereum, I did a prediction video on that, was $5,500 before Christmas. Bitcoin, my prediction is around 67,500 is where I'm predicting that to hit. Yeah, 67,000, like literally exactly 67,500. For ADA, we need to be looking at this, and it's the 50% Fibonacci retracement to the 1.6 extension. So follow me here very carefully and follow me on the charts here, guys. Take out your Fibonacci retracement, go to the top here of the trend, and then go to the bottom. So bottom of the trend to the top. And then switch with me over to the 1 day time frame, okay? Watch this. This play sets up itself a lot of times in crypto. I proved to you guys on Ethereum and Bitcoin how this has already happened in the past exactly like this, and why I expect this to happen again, okay? If you guys watch this down here, this is the low, and I'm gonna move this over just a little bit here so you guys can see this if we pull the low here. What happened on the chart here was our indicator predicted yet again the absolute bottom for cryptocurrency for ADA, okay? These two indicators, guys, are some of the most ridiculous indicators you'll ever get. I've coded indicators for TradingView.com customers for a living 2 years ago. Hundreds of them, hundreds of indicators. There is a reason, hint, hint, why I only use these three on my chart here, okay? This literally called the bottom. When we push down to the bottom red section and the well money flows at the bottom here as well, what did we end up seeing? We saw the price stop and it shot up very fast right after that. Okay, what are we seeing now? We are seeing this move back down in the market, and we are seeing this get prepped and springboard for another move up. We have officially hit our 50% Fibonacci retracement. And I do believe if we get a break above this descending resistance line here, we could see a break, a retest, and we could be off to the races for this move up here of $4.43. Now, this doesn't have anything in the past that I can predict it with, but I have proven to you guys on today's video that this literally exact same pattern has happened on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if Bitcoin and Ethereum take place, I guarantee you guys ADA is going to go up as well. So that's why I want you guys to watch those videos today. Definitely watch the Ethereum and the Bitcoin video. I'll have it on my channel. I'll try to put the Bitcoin video as like the channel header. So it's the first thing you see there when you click there. All right. Now, if you're watching this, we did end up hitting the bottom red zone here, and we saw an exact move up here when we hit that. Very, very important that you guys watch this, because last time we ended up getting into this top red section here, this did actually correlate to the high. Now, this move up here, we did end up seeing a move back down in ADA as well when we got close to this high up here. So the next time we see the trend exhaustion push to the top red zone here and the well money flow push to the top zone up here, I do expect to see strong moves back down, okay, in ADA. So those of us who are getting into our long trades, be very cautious on here and watch the daily time frame for the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow, that we could be heading down strong there. I will be trying to cover this, but I want you to give you guys a heads up so you're prepared and you watch that. Again, guys, this indicator is going up in 3 days. I highly suggest you guys get the bundle pack. You guys get all these indicators on your chart and you start following me here. Let me show you something else I'm looking at, and this is going to be for ADA as far as the metrics of where we can be going, okay? This is going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time this morning. Okay, we're currently sitting in the neutral section. Now, let me explain this to you guys. You're like, well, aren't we going down? Yes, but we're in a consolidation zone right here. Like, this is definitely what some people could call a channel trading, where we're bouncing from the bottom to the top, the bottom to the top, and we're just kind of in this zone right here. It's not until, like, pretend this isn't here right there, guys, like all this structure, and we're heading down like crazy right here. That's when you get fearfulness entering into the market, okay? Let me give you guys a huge hint, and here's why you guys need your subscription over here. When you guys are seeing fearfulness enter the market, I'm telling you guys, if you scroll straight down here and you look at this and you look at well and institutional smart money, they are acquiring long trades, guys. They are not selling. I know you guys are selling in here, a lot of people, because we have ridiculous red bars in here. And I know a lot of retail traders aren't shorting. They're actually still going long. So I believe the majority of this is people getting nervous and scared because they put all their buys up here because they FOMO'd into the top positions. And they said, if we break this structure support here, I'm getting out because I don't want to lose any more money. And that's exactly what people did. Everyone who bought above this level here at about 230 ended up seeing a break of structure support. They freaked out. They either went short or they sold, and they drove the price down. Here's exactly what wells and institutions are doing, which I'm literally coaching these guys. Guys, my coaching clients, between $100,000 to $1 million that I'm coaching, and I'm telling them what to do. I'm like, guys, watch this. Retail traders are going to freak out when we break below this level. And then what's going to happen? You guys come over here and you watch whales completely buy up all of the fear and the anxiety of all the retail traders, and they pump it back up and they make a ridiculous amount of money going back up here. Well, what's happening right now is we are seeing a move back down in ADA. And what I'm telling you guys is that we are needing to look for the accumulation of long trades. Now, that's what I was showing you guys before. Let's move back here for a second. Because we ended up seeing a move up here so nicely after the acquisition of long trades from whales, the whales then switched their positions to short trades, because we can clearly see over here that metrics started forming to the downside for short trades. Well, what happened? We ended up seeing a move down in ADA from the top. Guys, these metrics are literally calling the moves in cryptocurrency. That's why, like, it's like I hate turning these into like sales videos. Guys, $49 a month for these metrics is ridiculously cheap. I am going to be looking to up the price of this for sure in the coming months. So I'm just making that clear. If you guys are like, hey, I want to take a trade today, what should I do? Guys, come over here and check the emotional index and then check the long versus the short trades here. Like if you're in a good long trade or a great short trade, I would stay on that side, because historically this is calling pumps up very well. And if you guys just want to trade with the best traders in the world, and like we're trading with this as well, and we haven't lost a single trade, follow this metric. It will keep you guys so safe. Okay, let's go over this. Cardano, long versus short trades, guys. A very good sign in here that ADA could be moving up. Why? Long trades are staying consistent, short trades are moving out. Well, what does that mean? It's simple. There's less pressure for the price to go down. Short trades are moving out, long trades are staying consistent. Price action is moving down. This is a great sign that we could be seeing a move back up. So definitely another bullish sign that we could be seeing Cardano hit another move up here and see another bit of a pump. Let's move down here, support and resistance prices. If ADA starts moving up here, where's the first stop that we're going to see? It's going to be at 250 to 260. So let me show this to you guys on the chart. 250 to 250 sets us at structure highs right around here, okay? If we get triggered in down here on our first buy limit at 212, and make sure you guys are watching this every single day, because I will be updating this throughout the week if we do see price action move up. So you can't keep this here. You need to be watching the metrics over at tradeconfident.io. Literally come over here, like I said, go to the front trade, come down, and then click on Cardano and make sure you guys are updating your buy limits, okay? Because I will be updating those. But right around that structure high area is where I would be looking to take profit once we are in this trade. Also, if this thing drops down today or tomorrow, tags us in, and then we start pushing into the top red zone, this is why you guys need to have this on your chart. You guys need to be looking to take 25 to 50% exits once we get up here. Okay, I'll try my best to call it out. If I don't call it, exit yourself, please, up here for 25 to 50%, because I'll push us into the profit. There is a scenario here where ADA could move back down. Although I've proven to you guys with really solid proof on Bitcoin and Ethereum why this could be heading up to some all-time highs before Christmas, definitely be watching that, okay? Let's move down here. As far as the move back down in ADA, I do believe it is possible to come down here and tag $2 again. $2 is the psychological level point, which puts us at structure low right down here. We are getting in a little bit above this, so make sure you guys are updating this. And again, today and tomorrow, you guys are checking this, so you guys are updated, so you're not missing out. This is going to change here, okay? So you can put in your exchange, that's fine, but you better have the other 3 buy limits in here that we're calling out so you guys can actually win these trades. That's how we're winning these, is with great dollar cost average entries. Okay, moving down here, guys, dollar cost average HODL. For those of you guys who want to hold trades, every time you get a green bar coming out, you can throw in $1,000, $10,000, and basically just hold for the long term. I do believe if we see one more pump down here, we are going to get another green line on the chart, and we are going to start seeing that call out some long trades for everybody to just basically throw money in and hold for the long run. So definitely be watching out for that. Okay, exit points here. We did end up calling the top perfectly with this metric, and then we saw this move back down. So next time we are in a long trade, which I believe will be tagged in soon, guys, I do believe we could start heading back up here. Moving back up here. And I want us to be watching this metric here to call 25 to 50% exits, okay? So let's wrap this video up. If you guys aren't believers yet in the trend exhaustion, the price for swell money flow, definitely get them on your charts. I can tell you guys right now that retail traders are looking to sell out of their positions because the majority of their indicators they're using, the RSI, stochastic, and MACD, is bearish. Guys, if we break this ascending support line very nice with a candle break and we do something like this, we break, retest, and we come down here, an incredible position for everyone waiting for this long trade right here. So make sure you guys have your long trade set up with the subscription. The indicators are going up in price in 3 days, so make sure you guys snag that. I will be sending out an email notification to you guys as well, so you don't forget that. And then make sure you guys are watching this. I do believe we have a higher chance of cryptocurrency moving up by the end of the year than we do down. And what does that mean? It means you need to be getting your long trade set up and ready to go. So guys, $4.43 is my prediction before Christmas. Let's see how it plays out. We could head higher, but it's looking like that's a pretty good prediction. Get the indicators in the description, as well as the first comment of this video over at tradeconfident.io. Get your subscription. The indicators are right here. The bundle pack is the best deal. It will not be going up in price here this month, but you guys will see price increases on the other indicators here. And then have fun, guys, reading some profits in here from our traders. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing day. I'm going to get over to email right now so I answer all you guys' questions, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye, guys.